Let's talk a little bit about the difference between controlling and empowering leaders. I asked you to kind of define where you fell in that kind of continuum. The controlling leader directs, absolutely, usually micromanages, comes from a belief of that people can't be trusted, that employees can't be trusted to do what they need to do. From the belief that the only way they can ensure the job gets done right is what? That's right, do it themselves. Do it themselves. And that's their belief system. So they micromanage, incredible oversight, which of course creates a funnel, right? I mean, it's a bottleneck. Nothing can go faster than the micromanager because the micromanager is controlling everything. So that's a controller. The empower, on the other hand, motivates, encourages, inspires, elicits feedback, lots of feedback. I want input. If I'm an empowering leader, I want a lot of input. I come from the belief, the reason I act the way I do as an empowering leader is I come from the belief that people are good, that by and large, employees come to work because they want to do a decent job, and that given the opportunity and given the support by me, they will do a good job. They can be successful. And speaking of success, for an empowering leader, we look at success as success of those people who are following us. If they are successful, if we see they are successful, and they know they are successful, then whoop, that's us. We're successful too.